there, welcome to my channel. My name is Cool Frenzy. Not seeing you again. How have you been? Yeah, today's Saturday. We're shooting another vlog. You're welcome. Remember to press like, views, subscribe. So that when we shoot new videos, you get to see them immediately. Comments. I'm always available for professional advice, consultations, counseling, and the like. Today we're talking about something very important here. Something sensitive. It has adult content. So if you're sensitive to sex talk, log out now. But if you're in, tag along. So ladies, today's topic is lingerie. Improve your lingerie collection. Ladies, yeah. Lingerie talk is related to sex. It's kind of private. A lot of us, we have sex all the time. We do sex, but people are afraid to talk about it because they're hypocrites, they're pretentious, they're too shy, they're too inhibited. I'm here to set your soul free. Ladies, I'm here to set your femininity free. Lose your femininity. You're alluring grace as a woman. Set yourself free, set yourself loose. That's why I'm here as a vlogger, as an influencer, to set you free. Yes, we're talking lingerie. So like I said earlier, if you are shy, and you're not in for adult content, you log out. Ladies, this one's for you. And the guys, you can tag along. Here we're talking about lingerie today. Lingerie are undergarments that we wear under, panties, bra, corsets, and the likes of it, camisoles, you name it. These are things we wear under our body. They're not really seen out there, except by our lovers or by people that are very close to us. So it's not everyone that actually gets to see what we wear under us. So people take it for granted, yeah. They feel it's not important. Ladies, you're also on about your hair, your nails, your makeup, your skin spa, pedicure, manicure, lashes, false hair extensions and the likes, handbags, shopping and all of that, food in the home, other people where you don't really consider your lingerie. I'm here to remind you that ladies, you need to consider your lingerie collection. Improve your lingerie collection. Go buy lingerie, beautiful lingerie, attractive lingerie in attractive colors. They come in laces, cotton, what have you, sexy ones. And when you're doing lingerie, wear matching lingerie sets. A bra and your panty has to be the same color, okay? Matching sets, that's more attractive, that's more sexy, that's more feminine, okay? That's more trendy. Don't go wearing a black bra and you're wearing a white panty. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but you can't really rock it like that. You can't slay it. You wear a red bra, red panty, a white bra, white panty, black bra, black panty. Just match the colors. As you can see, I'm just reflecting lingerie in this. These are my towels, my pegs, my hangers, and little, something. I have lots of very sexy lingerie. If I were to use it to blow your mind, but I'm just like trying to keep it low. So we all know what lingeries are. We see them in the shops, in the boutiques. They're being well displayed on mannequins along the street. So lingerie is nothing new. So what I'm saying, ladies, go shop for lingerie. When was the last time you went shopping for lingerie? When was the last time? Some people are so backward. Their lingerie is all dirty, torn, drabby. So that when you're having sex, you're so shy, you have sex in the dark room because you don't want them to see your worn-out lingerie. Set yourself free. Go shopping for lingerie from now on. Cool Frenzy said so, because I said so. Go shop for nice, sexy lingerie, attractive lingerie. That when you wear it pops, set loose your femininity. When you wear nice lingerie, you're confident of yourself. Not everyone gets to see your lingerie. I mean, if you're married, your husband, if you have a lover, yeah, your friends or your family. Imagine you went somewhere you were to strip. You can't strip because probably your lingerie is not looking good. But if you wear nice lingerie that pop, you'll be confident to strip anywhere. And don't get me wrong, some people might think that lingerie, nice, sexy lingerie are just for teenagers, for the young people, for commercial sex workers, that are meant for sexually adventurous people or the promiscuous or people that or you're just going to have sex. That's when you wear nice lingerie. You reserve your nice lingerie for your honeymoon, your wedding day, when you're going to have sex. That's not it. Wear nice lingerie every day. If you don't have, go shopping. Buy lingerie that match. They come every day in different colors, different designs, shapes, We have the thongs, we have the other ones that look like knickers. I mean, they're all very nice, but they're all very sexy. So just go for them. Go for them. When you wear it, you're confident. You feel more feminine. Everyone doesn't have to see, but what you wear under gives you that confidence. You're happy. When you're happy, you set yourself free. You're able to perform. I mean, what's wrong in that? Must you reserve it for special occasions, or the section when you just want to have sex, you wear nice lingerie, you wear it every day? Some people even have quickies. They don't even know when they're going to have sex. Some don't plan it. So when your partner sees you with nice lingerie, I mean, you can imagine, it elevates the spirit. It makes the moment more interesting. So don't go kill the moment with dirty lingerie that is all worn out, the laces are all thrown around. Then remember, these lingeries are very sensitive, so they don't get to last. So while you go for shopping again, you keep replacing them, and I bet you would always find finer ones, more sexy ones, more attractive ones, more colorful ones all the time. So they keep reinventing, okay? So you go for it, you pop. You fill your closet with nice lingerie, and remember to place them in a very nice, attractive position. And when you look at them, you feel happy. I bet you when you wear nice lingerie, you feel good with yourself. You feel feminine with yourself. You feel satisfied, okay? And another thing, remember to shave your pubic area. Some people just wear, even if you wear nice lingerie and you have hair sticking out everywhere, bushy pubic area, it will look nice. You shave. You shave and you come out looking really nice. No hair sticking around, you're good to go. So that's just the message today. I want you ladies to improve your lingerie collection. Wear nice panties, bras that matching colors, that are sexy, attractive colors. You feel young, be nice, be good, be sexy, be attractive, be feminine, be feminine. Stop wearing panties that look like men's trousers or men's knickers. Why think thongs are everywhere? Lacy on these underwears are everywhere. You wear them and you pop. You feel happy. Okay? Fill your closet with nice lingeries. You would love yourself more. When you love yourself, your partner would love you more. They would appreciate you more. They'll be more attracted to you more. They won't have to go out there to source for other people to take your place. Because, I mean, you're sexy. What's wrong with being sexy? You think you're too old to be sexy? Or because you're married, you can't be sexy? No. Sexiness is not reserved for any particular group of people. Just keep doing it. Just keep being sensual. Just keep being alluring, inviting, attractive. Be woman. Be feminine. That's the story today. Upgrade to nice lingerie and keep it there. Love you.